In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe into your .NET API. This process is essential for developers looking to handle payments in their applications seamlessly. Stripe provides a powerful and flexible way to manage financial transactions, and integrating it into your .NET API can enhance the functionality of your project significantly. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this. First, you'll need to navigate to Stripe's website. Open your web browser and head over to the Stripe dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a familiar layout of options, but what we're interested in is located in the top right corner of the screen. Look for the gear icon, which typically represents settings. Clicking on this gear icon will reveal additional configuration options for your account. Now, after clicking the gear icon, you should see an option labeled Developer. It's crucial to head into the Developer section, as this is where we can manage API keys, an essential step in integrating Stripe with your .NET API. Within the Developer section, you'll find a link or button that says Manage API. Click on it to proceed. Once you're inside the Manage API section, you'll have access to your API keys. API keys are like passwords that allow your application to communicate with Stripe securely. You'll find two types of keys here: the publishable key and the secret key. The publishable key is used on the front end of your application, while the secret key is meant for back-end communication. It's important to handle these keys carefully. Never expose your secret key in client-side code, as it could lead to unauthorized access to your account. With these keys in hand, you'll be able to integrate Stripe into your .NET API effectively. Be sure to store these keys securely in your application's configuration files or environment variables. This ensures that they remain safe and accessible only to your application. The integration of Stripe with your .NET API can be a game changer, making payment processing smooth and efficient. By following these steps, you're setting up a robust system that can handle transactions with ease. Whether you're building an e-commerce platform or a subscription service, Stripe's API offers the flexibility and security you need. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to integrating Stripe into your .NET API. By following these steps, you can enhance your application's capabilities and provide a seamless payment experience for your users. Remember, careful management of your API keys is crucial for maintaining security and ensuring your application operates smoothly. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!